The Mittelstand is the main part of the German economy. Nearly 95% of all corporates belong to the small and medium-sized enterprise sector.
When you look into investments into Germany, Mittelstand companies, you can be sure there is a good foundation. Most do have really products, tangible products, which they manufacture. And these products most of the time have a lot of history based on the knowledge which is there in these companies. Investing in a German Mittelstand company, I think, is still very attractive.
In EMAG, we provide production systems, not only the machine tool, but also the process. With the new technologies in Industry 4.0, we can somehow build a logic, can handle mass data, and by this can show the customer how we come to the resolution that we advise to him. I think this is something new. When we talk about German Mittelstand, the management and the entrepreneurs or the owners of the company each day look for something new. It's typically in the German Mittelstand and also a focus to invest into development and innovation. Germany, at the moment, we have the strongest industry in Europe. By this, we have probably also the strongest companies.
What we are intending to do is to transform into a company that is working more with data and less with machinery. So machinery will be the basis for our business, but data will be the means to our business. If you want to automate more, you have to standardize more, and you have to be able to rely on those standards to be able to automate those processes. And this starts on the shop floor of every machinery company and goes up to economic scale between nations. If you don't embrace technology, you are left behind. This is where Germany has traditionally a very open mindset.
I think these are great opportunities for foreign investors to take a look at and to analyze if this is a great investment to make for the future.
It's all about collecting data and make use out of it by way of knowledge.